Hi everyone, thank you for watching this video. This is Sheva from Bear Mix Bujo over at Instagram. Today I have another haul video. This time for these two goodies that I got from Sarah of Shop Craftypaperbits. So that's her it's her card. I actually collect all of these cards, but I just wanted to open these up because I haven't actually looked at them. So she always sends these cards, postcards, which I always love and I always save. Look at that. So let's open this one up. Oops. Oh no. I'm sad I messed that up. This is actually also a very nice paper. Here we go. Oops, sorry. Probably moved you a little bit. Let's start with these smaller goodies. Oh wow. This one. Oh, I love it. I'm super glad I was able to score this. Look at that. And it has little photos and even a little flower inside. Definitely treasuring that for a while. It smells so nice. Ooh. Another postcard. I love this pink paper. I don't know what this is. Probably a container. I love that. Look at this one. It's a music sheet. And one of these magazines. So lots of things to be used and cut up. See if I can put this all back. Because I don't want to lose any of the bits. Then we have this one. Okay. way. I think this is just one postcard. Super pretty. And then I think I got 2 of this beautiful wallpaper. We'll definitely use this in the journal that I'm working on. Little boys. This is super cute. Another postcard. Love this blue. Oh, there's a letter inside. Multiverse. Oh, look at this one. Love that. Shares, so this is a bond. Pattern paper. Big magazine. Love it. Oh, this is a magazine cover, probably very. And then this one. Look at that folder. That's it. That's all my goodies from Sarah. Can't wait to play and use all of this in my journaling. Thanks for watching.